Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to today's Matic video update. Now we've seen Matic actually being rejected previously and I talked about this trend line. So this is going to be a very straightforward update right now for Matic. And it seems like the pattern is still not invalidated. Okay, you do have some inverse head and shoulder, some sort of it. But what I want to do is, just give you one quick comment on the daily time frame right now. And yesterday I did make a video called an access denied for Matic as well. Just want to see the EMAs right now, what you're doing for the EMA. It seems like you actually went up, came down, and you're actually being supported at 20. The last time that you were supposed to, supported at the 20 EMA, that was amazing. Now keep in mind, if you start to lose the 20 EMA here, you might be looking to come down to the 55 EMA and then touch that line and probably move a little bit higher again. But what you want to see for Matic to continue to move up to maybe $1.2 is actually break this level with a big volume, come down for the retest. That could be an amazing entry, and you're looking to pop to push to the upside as well. And that's pretty much it for today's update. I don't think this is going to be holding for a while. You just don't want to come down and lose this level, which is going to be the 86 level at the moment. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.